We all should be members of the ASPS. This is the organization that represents us as plastic surgeons, as the whole of plastic surgery.
And it's how you first of all, network with people from all over the country. It's how you learn about innovations and research and new techniques.
Really listening to us and paying attention to promoting our best interests and really, fighting for us.
The Society literally offers something for everyone, from committee involvement to advocacy to practice management and career advice at every stage of your life.
It is a privilege to work side by side with dedicated colleagues to collectively advocate to maintain the highest standard of the profession while advancing the interests of patients and our members.
They are the symbol of excellence. I proudly display the emblem in my practice, on my letterhead, and on my website so patients know that we stand for the same thing, and that's quality care and excellence.
I've come to appreciate the educational opportunities provided by ASPS both for its members and patients.
Being able to talk with these congressmen and congresswomen directly and also hear their thoughts on how bills are being passed, as well as things that affect us in our training.
You get to make great friends and great colleagues. You get to participate in educational events. You also get to present your work at the annual meeting.
Being a member of ASPS really allows me and affords me the opportunity to really feel like I am engaged and really understanding the current issues in plastic surgery and really having the opportunity to provide input and be a part of shaping the future of plastic surgery.